Hey guys, Daniel here at Cherokee Auto Group, showing y'all my 2015 Ford Escape Titanium. Really nice car, fully loaded, panoramic sunroof, leather seats, sync radio navigation, backup camera, dual exhaust. It is the EcoBoost too with the turbo, which is kind of neat. Pretty peppy, you know, for what it is. Paint's in good shape. All the trim's in good shape. All around, just a nice car. See the sunroofs up there. Plenty of glass to look out at the moon and the stars at night. Keep the kids entertained while you're driving down the road at least. Open it up here for you. Power leather seats, moonroof, panoramic roof. 112,000 miles. Let's see here. Look at that. Power hatch in the rear here. Open that up. Pops that open. I'm gonna start it up here for you too. Let you see how everything's running. No lights on. Seatbelt light, of course, because I don't have my seatbelt on. Turn the air down a little bit here. So you have your navigation right here. All that good stuff. Heated seats. Backup camera. That's looking at the sky because I just popped the hatch. I'll close it, let you see it. Well, that's closing, and it's closing in the rear, right there. Let you see it now. Backup camera. There we go. So all that works right there. And you can turn the rear park aid on or off if you like it. It'll beep at you. So if you don't like the beeping, you can turn that off. Pretty neat. Sync radio, like I said. Bluetooth and all. Interior's in really good shape as well. Really cool thing I saw about this right here, it's got a 110 volt outlet back here. Look at that. That's pretty neat. I thought so. So it's got plenty of bells and whistles, lots of options. Good riding car, you know, for what it is. It is a titanium as well. Got one of my rags back here. But yeah, see, that thing's pretty nice. All your spare and stuff's back here too as well. It's nice to know. Usually all that's gone. So, and then if you want to just close this, what you're gonna do is you're gonna come back here, press this button, and then it shuts by itself. Nice feature. Pop the hood here for you, let you look at the motor. Hit the latch there, sorry about that. Well, yeah, that's her. Thing has a pin. It is the EcoBoost. Everything's running super good. Close this back here. So that's her. I do have financing options available if that's the route you would like to take. Give me a call, 770-345-0282. And once again, my name is Daniel Mosley. Thank you so much.